Hello everybody, I'm Jean-Baptiste from the Netherlands, and today I'm going to talk about upgrading your M249 box magazine without sacrificing the original functionality and circuitry. So first of all, the problem I run into is that my rate of fire is too high for the box magazine, and the reason is that the motor is not spinning fast enough and thus not feeding enough BBs per second. So I searched the internet for solutions, and actually the only solution that was apparent is to tie up your 7.4 volt or higher LiPo battery directly to the motor, and when the trigger is pulled it makes contact and also the motor starts spinning. That procedure, however, is not appealing to me because I want to keep the sound to activation functionality of the original magazine. So I've started to find solutions on my own, and I came up with this solution. Okay, so here is the schematic I've used to upgrade the motor's RPM. First of all, I have to tell you guys, there's not an Arduino inside it, but there is a similar PLC or programmable logic controller on the circuit board. So that is why it's very easy to translate from Arduino to the original Boxmag. So first of all, we need an N-channel MOSFET, like the IRFZ44N or NF06 or any other N-channel MOSFET that has the capability of running about 1 or 2 amps at mostly at tops 5 volts. Okay, so then to protect it we need a 22 ohm resistor connected to the gate side, and now the important thing is power. You can buy a DC to DC converter from eBay or eachbuyer or any other electronics website, but the advantage of the DC-DC converter is that you can still use your original AA setup. You just need to connect 2 extra wires to the input, and the negative output connects to the ground, and your positive output needs to be directly connected to your motor. Make note, you will have to cut your original positive motor wire coming from the circuitry board. The advantage is that you can still use your original AA batteries, and you can vary the output voltage, which essentially you can turn up the RPM and turn down the RPM of the motor. Or you can just add a LiPo battery with the positive connected to the motor and the negative connected to the ground of the circuit board and the MOSFET. So connecting it, well, of course the positive will go directly to the motor and the negative will attach to the drain pin on the MOSFET. Then the source pin will be connected to ground, and the gate pin will be connected to the original motor output of the Boxmag with an inline 22 ohm resistor to protect the circuitry. Okay, so here's the end result. As you can see, we have cut the original wire from the board to the motor and connected it to the gate side of the N-channel MOSFET, and we connected the positive side from the battery or your DC converter through the positive of the motor. Then we connected the negative through the drain pin of the MOSFET and connected the source pin, your negative source, to the ground of the battery, and or ground or minus of the battery, and ground on the circuit board. So, and after running a few tests, I can definitely say the engine, the motor's RPM has increased. However, I only thought to make this video after I did all the testing and so. And well, if I'm getting another Boxmag, I will perform the same upgrade, and then I will make a video of it and show it to you guys, and also with results and yeah, everything around it. So hopefully you have enjoyed my video. I know I can talk very slowly and very boring, but this is the way to increase your motor's RPM without sacrificing the original board and your original functionality. So see you guys at the field very soon.